Hello. I feel very pale right now. I do have some foundation and my eyebrows on already, but we're gonna get going. I felt like filming something simple and fun, and fun fact, one of my favourite colour combinations on this earth is pink and green. I feel like it's really underrated, and I just wanted to create a whole like pink and green kind of look with makeup, and then show you how I put together like a cute outfit. I also have this Lottie London like glitter switch lipstick, which I'm really interested to try, so I thought that we could try that as well for the first time, see if it's any good. So this is the state at the moment, and we are just gonna get going. I'm gonna start with this BH Ghost Pepper palette, and we're gonna go in with this colour right here as a base in the crease. I'm then gonna use the super bright pink and like an angled fluffy brush, and go like raise my eyelid and go directly into the crease, like so. By the way, I know in my videos I always use like 1,000,005 different palettes generally. I'm going to use this magenta pink colour now. But I just wanted to point out that you don't have to have all of the exact palettes that not just me but like any person uses. You can just search for like similar colours. I always forget how good this palette smells. Oh, so good. On my lower lash line, some people would say don't use pink on your lower lash line. I say that makeup has no rules and that I can do what I want. So, one of my favourite green eyeshadows, this is the Trinity pigment from the Revolution Matrix collection, and it's genuinely amazing. You should open it and then tap some of that pigment into the lid, is how I do it. I love how this looks. Like, I think it's so pretty. This colour is so stunning. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Ah, love it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna use a bit of this light white shimmery colour to highlight my brow bone. Sometimes most of the time recently, I will highlight my brow bone with a matte white colour, but sometimes I just really love the way that a shimmer looks, especially with more of a matte eyeshadow look. And the fact that this is a slightly pinkish white, I just just really think that's so pretty. I'm going to use my favourite concealer. This is the Eye Bright Illuminating Concealer from Revolution. Again, Revolution is actually so good. And it's like a cushion. And it's so good. And I like to highlight end of my nose as well. Super pretty. I feel like I want a wing with this, so oh, do I? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'll highlight the inner corner. I might do the rest of my face and do my lipstick and then decide if I want a wing. There we go. Highlighting the inner corner, I think, makes such a difference. I do really love matching my eyeshadow to the rest of my makeup. I find it so much fun to have like a super... Oh, I'm really short now. I can't sit on my legs. There we go. I do find it really fun to have a really matchy, like a really quite a bold, I guess, makeup that in some way kind of coordinates with my outfit. I just find it really fun. And I think makeup is meant to be fun. It's meant to be like expressive. It's meant to make you feel good. I know I look so pale right now. I promise I am gonna add warmth and depth in just a minute. But also it is winter and I have been unwell for a while, so I'm a bit pale anyway. This would look, oh, I'm planning a hair kind of change and I'm really excited about it, but when I'm filming this video I still have like 2 weeks to wait before I can get it done, but it's gonna look so, this kind of makeup is gonna look so good with my new hair. So excited. Instead of bronzer, because I am so fair right now, I'm actually going to use this Kiko powder foundation, which does actually suit me when I am a bit more tanned, but when I'm paler I find that it's just a really nice subtle bit of definition, and I love Kiko. I think they're an amazing makeup brand. I'm bringing this along the sides of my face. And then something I absolutely love to do since I got my nose pierced is to contour my nose. Because I think it looks so pretty. I'm just going around the tip and down the sides. I think it looks really pretty, I don't know. Now for blusher, I feel like I can either do a matte and go with this colour from this BH Cosmetics palette, or I can do a slight soft shimmer with the strawberry blusher from Heart Revolution. I think I'm going to do the slight shimmer just because I love this colour. Can you smile? And just apply. iridescent pink highlighter. I actually think I'm happy without a wing on this eye makeup. I like how it's quite, I guess, round. Now I'm going to try this glitter lipstick. So the first thing I'm going to do is line my lips. I have this Lottie London Slay All Day lip liner in the colour Vibes. And I don't use lip liner very often. Now that I look like, I don't know what I look like. I'm going to try this. Now, from what I've heard, you apply this and then you let it dry and then you smush your lips together and it turns glittery. And I can see in the tube, I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, that this has like some slight glitter. Flecks in it. Ooh, it smells good. Let's give it a go. It is not as... although it's picking up more red on camera, I feel. In person it's a little bit deeper than I thought it would be. Okay. Ooh. That is a really pretty colour. Like, regardless of what happens once it dries, it's such a pretty colour. Oh my goodness. Really nice. Ooh. Very pretty. Very, like, a little bit vampy. Sort of a 20s look. I'm not wearing mascara. That's why my eyes look weird. Wait. While we wait for this to dry. I knew my eyes looked unfinished. Oh. Let's do a lash. Better. Oh, that's better. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this feels kind of dry. So... oh no, I don't know if I did it right. When I'm rubbing my lips together, it's just like, do you see? It's just like cracking. Oh, that's so annoying. Did I do it right? Did I not do it right? Doesn't really feel like it's going glittery. It does feel super, like, tacky. I'm not in love with the way this feels. I don't generally tend to like liquid lipsticks. I will point that out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm not a fan. It's a pretty colour. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this off and go for one of my similar Bésame lipsticks. So give me a sec. Okay, so fun fact, that was nearly impossible to get off. Oh my Jesus. That was, oh. Although my lips are now very nicely exfoliated and ready to put on my other lipstick, which I'm nearly out of. Look at this nub. There you go, that's better. Oh, Bésame lipsticks. Amazing. So this is the final makeup look. It's so pretty. And now thought it would be fun if I showed you how I'm going to put together like a full pink and green outfit. I thought that would be really fun, so that's what we're gonna do. Come along with me. So the base of the outfit, as you can see, is this really pretty dress from Hell Bunny. And then, because I'm not insane, and it is November, this green cardigan. This is my favourite cardigan. I am wearing it to death slowly. We're gonna do a pink stocking by, of course, What Katie Did. And I actually have this really pretty green suspender belt, which goes with, you might be able to see a peek of it, the green Millionairess bra. This is the 1930s lingerie set by What Katie Did. A cheeky little, a pink stocking top. I'm gonna do jewellery from Splendid, as I always do. So these Valentine's earrings that I got in basically almost every colour that they offered. 2 bangles, so a pink one and a green one. So this is how it's looking so far, and then, and yes, they are very, very, very high heels, as you can see. But they are very, very comfortable. I wore these on a full work day and I felt completely fine. I feel like I want something here. So we're gonna crack out my pink pearl necklace from Mira Mira Bijou, who is one of my favourite jewellery people on Instagram. Not Instagram, Etsy. I've worn this set before. It does come with earrings, but I'm just going to wear the necklace. Let me have a look. How am I feeling about that? Yeah, that's better. And this is the finished look. I am going to take you outside and do like a little twirl so that you can see the full outfit, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's honestly so much more casual than a lot of the videos that I would normally do. I didn't really have like something I wanted to talk about while I did this. I just really wanted to play with makeup a bit, play with fashion a bit, and use one of my favourite colour combinations, and I just really love how it's come out. So I hope you have as well. Let this be a reminder that if you have a colour combination that you love, even if everyone else thinks it's kind of ugly, just wear it anyway, because who cares, and you are gonna look amazing. And I love you all, and let's see this outfit in action.